Slow. I thought you were cool, but you're.
Ah, shit. Ah, shit.
Trying to make a last-second exit off the highway, this rider learns why late merges are never a good idea, especially at this speed.
Ah, shit.
I can't hear you.
I said, want to race? I just giving you a hard time. Right safe.
Sitting at a red light, this rider gets a surprise when a motorcycle cop pulls up beside him and gives him a tap. Luckily though, this one's all in good fun.
Want to race?
I can't hear you.
I said, want to race? I just giving you a hard time. Right safe.
Oh.
In this clip, a traffic stop takes an unexpected turn. As the officer moves to pull the rider over, the rider is pushed off the roadway and goes down.
Oh.
Do you think the officer was in the wrong here?
Hola. ¿Era necesario tumbarme, jefe? ¿Eh? ¿Era necesario tumbarme?
¿No te tumbé?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Getting caught up riding a little too fast with a Dodge Charger, this biker gets lucky when the car draws attention all on its own, reminding us that there's a time and place for everything.
A few moments later.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Situations like this demand caution. When a car ahead starts behaving unpredictably, slowing down can make all the difference. Something this rider learns the hard way.
Oh, I thought you were cool, but you're.
Thinking the truck was nice enough to give him space to slip through, this rider slowly lane splits past, only to realize seconds later, the driver is anything but happy about it.
What's up? I thought you were giving me space. I thought you were being cool because everybody was going slow. I thought you were cool, but you're.
Always check your crosswalks. This rider witnesses a driver overlook a pedestrian beginning to cross, proving why everyone has to stay alert at all times. This biker has a close call with a car's side mirror, and the girl driving is not impressed. Tight spacing like this leaves zero room for error.
No, we ain't gonna fit. I ain't touch it.
Oh no!
Startled to find a cop following closely behind, this rider braces for the worst, but instead gets a different kind of interaction that likely saved him from trouble down the road.
Make that tag visible.
Can you not read it?
No. I wouldn't make it visible if I can see it, right?
I suppose so. Even if you're up close, you can't look down and see it?
The tire's blocking the whole thing.
Okay. I'll move it up. There's a spot for it up here. I'll make sure I move it up.
Spot up there. That's when it's time.
Yes, sir. You got it.
Stick it if you get caught.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you. I appreciate it. Oh, shit. God damn.
In broad daylight, this rider watches a hit and run unfold right in front of him. Without hesitation, he abandons his original route and goes after the driver, hoping to gather any information to help the victim.
You ain't running from me. Pull over. Dumbass. Why you running? I got you on camera. Why you running? F you.
But after he finally catches up, it's clear the driver wants nothing to do with it. So the rider turns back to do what really matters, and that's helping the victim.
Someone hit me.
I was right next to you. I followed him and I got him on camera. I got his plate. I came to help you. Yeah, man, no problem. I can give you the video.
Okay.
Yeah, call 911.
Okay.
You call them? Okay, I'll wait.
They told me the police officers.
I want to send you the video. You have iPhone?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Go down here, everyone. Accept. Yeah, man, if that was me, I'm dead. You know? Alright, let me see if you got it. Alright, it should be here. This is a picture. That's his license plate. Okay? And this is a video. See? Everything. And when you call your insurance, you show them that. Okay? Alright, man.
Thank you so much.
Alright, good luck. Take care, brother. Man, I feel bad for him.
What?
After this biker feels like he's been cut off, he voices his frustration, only to realize he's dealing with a guy that is ready to do more than just talk, and the situation is about to escalate even further.
I'm in my right, mate.
No, you're not, bud.
I am.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am. Read the high court.
In traffic.
Read the high court, mate.
Why don't you get off your bike and have a word then?
Are you gonna assault me, mate?
Yes.
Go on.
Because you know you're in the...
Yeah, go on, assault me.
Yeah.
Yeah, go on
On
then.
your camera.
You're a big man, yeah? Go on then.
Bigger than you.
Go on then. Assault me.
Get your camera off.
Yeah? It's off.
Pull over.
Is it off? No, it's not off. It's working, mate.
Exactly.
Yeah, you afraid you're a little man, yeah? You talk, but you see camera, you, oh, shit.
You need the camera to protect you because you're a little...
Yeah, that's why you're still in your car.
Yeah, because you got a camera.
Yeah, you did. Now go to the police, by the way, how you driving, because, no, read the high court, you dick.
Mate, you're about 2 seconds about that camera not saving you.
Come on.
Pull over, take the camera.
I'm over, pull over.
Pull over, take the camera off.
No,
Yeah, check then. You're a
that's
fine
fine,
pussy.
you're a little man.
You're a little pussy.
Are you gonna keep obstructing me?
No, because I'm going down that
Okay,
way.
have a nice one.
You keep on running away.
Yeah,
Keep the camera on.
yeah, it's fine.
Get out.
Have a nice day.
Still pussy. Yeah.
Yeah,
Still have a great day.
yeah, you're a little man.
Yeah, a little man that doesn't need the camera.
Yeah,
Yeah, you need the camera. Don't
no worries, mate.
over and let's settle this. Don't just give me the finger.
You wanna lose your mirror?
Just give me the finger.
You wanna lose your mirror?
Settle this.
You wanna lose your mirror? Keep going.
Use your teeth.
Go on then.
Yeah, you've got your camera, so you're a big man.
Huh? You're a small little man
I don't need the camera.
with a small tiny wheeler.
Keep your camera on.
Small tiny wheeler, mate. A small tiny wheeler.
Right, but I need a camera to see.
Yeah.
They're great. I love them. I think they're some of the best videos I put out. Oh, my balls. Ow, that really hurt. Ow.
After feeling a sudden jolt down below, this rider pulls over to check things out, but as he looks around, he discovers the unexpected
I was
cause.
doing maintenance on the bike and I grabbed it and I was going to move it forward. That is a bee. That is why my nuts hurt. A bee was just stinging my nuts. Are we for real?
Pulling up to a light, this rider gets a surprise interaction from another driver, one he definitely wasn't expecting.
Okay.
Moving on.